is a science experiment. They're equal and they are opposite. They happen in two directions. 43 quintillion is a 43 with 18 zeros after it. Spaghetti! We have a really big loop of paper. We transfer the knot from our bodies into the rope. Math is actually one of the four sciences. 3. Oh! At the end of the show, you'll have a chance to ask a lot of questions. Balloon goes on top of the jar. The cup will completely disappear. Your 5 senses. You can look, you can listen, you can smell, you can taste, you can even feel. Ta-da! Whoa! All the way around! Around in circles, around. Are you ready for some big words? Centrifugal and centripetal. Ah! There's another word for you. Kinetic energy. You can read a science book. We did it! Ta-da!